Guys, good morning. Got off work early today, so I'm gonna go spoil my Explorer today and possibly get some wheels put on, possibly get a muffler delete because I never owned a V8 before and I really want to hear it, so probably gonna get a muffler delete and see what else I can do today. So let's go on this little expedition, explore, something. Let's go. One place I was gonna go get the tires from was closed when I passed by it, so I'm gonna have to try a different place and see if they have my tires. I just want some aggressive looking all-terrain tires to go on the Explorer, and it's kind of hard to find that. Like, nobody really has them for like the budget I'm looking for. I'm not trying to spend $200 per tire or anything. So yeah. Sylvia. Hi. A little nub. Wash helped a little bit. Like, washed a lot of the mud off, but it's still dirty. Even the wheels are like gross looking. But I'm gonna end up painting these plastic them black for now. After I get the tires put on. I'm gonna keep these tires because they're pretty much brand new, but it looked cleaner when I washed it, and it's still wet and everything. But you can kind of see all those scuff marks and stuff that's on there now, or I don't know what that is, but that came off. But you can see the scratch mark right there easier. It's a little dirty, but a lot of the mud came off. A lot of it did. So the back window right here, the motor still works, but I think the regulator is broken in it, so it keeps sliding down by itself sometimes. I put a little, look, you can see it, I put a little door stopper in the window, but it's barely helping. It's still falling down when I hit bumps and driving pretty quick, like highway speeds, and when I'm listening to music, it still falls down too. So I'm probably gonna get Safe Light to repair, whatever. Gonna get them to fix it. I think it costs like $300 for them to come out and fix it, which is more than I want to spend for that, but more of a safety thing than anything else. But let's go find these tires. But now, don't think they have any all-terrains, but he says he's gonna go check to see if he has my size. Possibly not. I just came here to see if they have anything before I go spend an arm and a leg for some tires, so let's see. Didn't have any, but he told me to go check Walmart and he will balance them or put them on and balance them for me, which is cool. I can dig that. Look at this Corvette. That's nice. I like that color. Walmart did have the tires. I got the last 4 that I actually wanted, and now I'm gonna go get them mounted from the same guy that told me to go to Walmart, because he actually helped me out a lot, because I was gonna be searching for tires for the longest. I actually found them the first try, so it's like a lot of work putting these tires inside. Dextero wheels. I never heard of them before. Aggressive enough. What it looks like when the wheel's missing. I'm still trying to figure out what's rubbing when I'm turning. I don't even know yet. That needs changing though. Where is my finger? That needs changing for sure. Whatever that is up there. Gross looking. Okay. Whatever that is too. It's like very twisted inward. Crazy. Good difference. I'll paint them black when I go home. Might not get the exhaust done today, but I'll get them painted black. I love the difference in that. just need to get some spacers now to put on there. They're gonna poke out a little bit. I'll be all good for now. So this is what it looks like. It's on the ground now. Not bad. And it rides okay so far from when I was driving it just now. I'm gonna go see if I have any more plastic in my trunk of my car. I think I have some left. Hopefully I do. Hopefully I don't have to buy any more. I'll show you guys what it looked like when it's done. I did the wheels and everything already. I'm not gonna do the exhaust today. I might do another day when I get off. But the wheels actually turned out okay. Let me show you guys that really quick. So I put it in black. These are the tires now. I like it. But with that being said, I'm about to run some errands so I can enjoy the rest of my day off. Because this is rare. I never get days off like this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.